Hello and welcome to Teaching Through Repertoire. I'm Scott Krijnen, and today we're doing Firework by Katy as arranged by Robert Longfield. I'm going to the bass part here on the cello, and I'm going to play along with the jwpepper.com recording. This is Firework, and I'll join you in measure 3. Measure 3. Measure 5. We need really clear note changes. Make sure your bow is ready. 13. And. Now we activate the harmony. 21. Find the cello part and hear how your notes match against it. 29, ready, and. We help the music feel like it's rising. Back to 29, and. More relaxed. But we still need clarity in the bass part. If we get a little bit round in our sounds, the music loses the drive. Keep driving, 46. That's the bass part. Bass parts are so great. They help the whole orchestra, the whole band, whatever the ensemble is. It moves the music and it really establishes this great groove. Thank you for practicing. Thank you for playing. And remember, if you do practice every single day by the end of the year, you will be taller.